Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the task 3, that is exploratory uh, exploratory data analysis using retail. So the problem statement here is, as a business manager we have to try to find out the weak areas where we can work on to make more profit. So what are all the business problems you can derive by exploring the data? So for this, the methodology which I have chosen is the Tableau tool, which is a main tool used for a visualization. So I used this data set called sample store, which was in CSV format, and I extracted the data, and I have done my visualization through graphs, and have done some interpretations. So here are some of the observations which I have made. So some of the analysis which I can find is, in terms of state-wise profitability, the top five performing states are the California with the $76,381, and next comes New York, and then Washington, and then Virginia and Michigan. So these five states are performing better compared to others. So the worst five performing states with negative profit are the worst performing states are, we can see that Texas and North Carolina, Peninsula, all these are performing worst. So coming to the next dashboard which I have considered is mode of shipping, regions count, category and segment. So in terms of mode of shipping, we have four classes, that is first class, same day, second class and standard class. So in this 5968, that is standard class, is having the highest number of shipping mode, and the lowest number is 543, that is same day. So in terms of the total number of profit, we have standard class which is giving higher revenue compared to other three shipping mode. So in terms of average profit which we consider based on the sales volume, we can say that first class is performing better compared to other three. So in terms of if you consider in terms of overall profit, standard class is performing better. In terms of average profit, we can consider that first class is performing better. So next, coming to the regions count. So here we can see that western and eastern regions are performing better in terms of profit, and compared to other two regions, that is central and south. So coming to the category wise, the technology category is excelling well, and it is giving higher returns compared to other two category, that is furniture and office supplies. So next, coming to the segment. So the highest number of segment, there are three segments, that is consumer and corporate and home office. So here we can see that consumer segment is giving higher profit, and the count is also high. So it is giving around one lakh 34,119 dollars. That is, so we can see that consumer segment is giving higher returns compared to those two, that is office supplies and furniture. So the next dashboard which I have chosen is category region in terms of profit and sales, and segment and profit and sales. So here we can say that although there is a big sales volume for furniture category, like the profit obtained is very less compared to other two. So as we can see in like for example, we can see in central region the profit percentage is negative, which is a big concern. So, and the western and central region is giving higher profit compared to other two regions. We can see that in western and eastern region. So the profit percentage compared to those two, that is southern and central region, these two areas or regions are giving higher profit. And the technology category is having higher profit in three regions, that is central and eastern region and in southern region. Whereas in western region, the office supplies is giving higher revenue compared to other two categories. So we can say that here one thing we can observe, that is, although there is a higher sales volume for technology category, but the profit percentage obtained is very less compared to the office supplies. As we can see, for example, in western region, the sales volume is 2,51,992, but the profit obtained is 44,304. While we compare that, office supplies is having 2 lakh, just 2 lakh 20,853 sales, but the profit percentage is 52,610. So here we can say that although there is a good amount of sales volume for both of office supplies and technology sector, but the office supplies is performing better compared to other compared to technology and this thing what you call furniture. So now coming to the segment profit and sales, here we can say consumer segment is performing better compared to the other two segment, that is corporate and home office. So it is performing very well, pretty well. So the final dashboard which I have chosen is subcategory profitability. Here you can say copiers. Some of the five best performing products are copiers, and then comes accessories with 41,937. Then comes phones, and then comes paper, and then binders. So all these are five best performing products. So here the biggest concern is tables and supplies and bookcases. These three are showing negative profit. So finally my conclusion about this analysis is binders, appliances and storage, these are performing good in terms of profit, although they are not best performing, but they are having good amount of profit and sales. So if you put extra effort on these products subcategories, we can improve the sales, and then thus it will automatically help us to increase the profit. And also the supplies, bookcases and tables, these are having negative sales profit, which is a big concern, and it is also a loss making subcategory. So we have to focus more on these subcategories. And one big problem which I had found in this data set is the central region shows the lowest profit among the other three regions. As we can see, it is showing negative profit especially in the regions, that is in Texas and Illinois. It is showing the biggest profit. We can see, as we can see that in central region in Texas it is showing negative 25,729, and in Illinois it is showing 12,068. So what we have to do is because these two regions are showing a negative percentage, we have to focus on these states in order to improve the overall profit of the region. So if you do that, this profit also increases and overall profit also will be increased. So this is some of the observations which I have made. So these are the dashboards which I have done. This is dashboard 2, this is dashboard 3, and this is dashboard 4. So that's it. Thank you.